everybody. Terrence Golden here, just stopping by with a word of encouragement today. Hey, I remember a time when I worked for the school district. One time I walked into the office and there was a student sitting on the bench. He had both his socks and shoes off, and he had the one foot up to his mouth and was licking his feet. And instead of stopping him, I just asked him the question, like, what are you doing? He said, Mr. Golden, he's like, my feet get sweaty sometimes, and if I don't do this, it gets sour down in there. Yikes.
Yikes.
I don't like, why did I ask that question is what I was thinking. But it reminds me of this scripture, and it basically says that there's a way that seems right to every man, but that way is unto death. And I think that's true about all of us who are solution and problem solvers. We're solution hunters, that we will see the problem, put together a solution, and start working the solution. But I want to just remind you today that if you're a human being, our condition keeps us from getting solutions that are sustainable. Because of the brokenness of us, we can't really make anything that's not broken. And it's oftentimes our solutions are the wrong idea, the wrong focus, and the wrong approach. But I do want to encourage you today and let you know that we can have joy, because life abounds in solutions that are full of God's counsel. I'll say that again. Life abounds in solutions that are full of God's counsel. So if there's a thing that you need, a solution that you need to your problem, the best thing to do is get before God. Get before his counsel. And when you do that, you have a solution that's wise, that will last throughout your life, that is something that's positive and can not just help you, but might help others. Hey, I hope this helps you today. I hope you're having a great day. I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.